Hello there. Hope you are doing fine. So this is Arshad Qureshi, and today I am going to talk about the topic business elements of business communication. So first of all, what is communication? Communication is the essence of management. Managerial effectiveness is depend on communication in the organization. Communication is the process by which the information is being transmitted into individual or organization so that an understanding response result. In every communication, there are two parties, sender and receiver, who receive interact within a common frame of reference. There can be no effective communication without a common background, purpose, and interest. If there is a cooperation between the sender and the receiver, then only the communication will take place. So, at general level, communication involves following. First, source, process of encoding, message, channel, process of decoding, receiver, and potential feedback. So, in this model of SCASM model, you can see the main elements of business communication. So, here is a source and this is a sender, where who wants to share his information or his thoughts, and then he encodes a message and send a message. Message can be written or oral or anything through a channel or medium to the receiver. When the receiver receives the message, he decodes the message to find out the meaning of the message, and in return, the receiver gives the feedback to the sender, and in this way, this cycle goes on. So, I am going to talk about the main elements of business communication. So, the first main element of business communication is source or sender. For many of our needs, we resort or in written communication. Written communication has other virtues too. Further, it is convenient in as much as you can write as leisure, and reader can handle at his own convenience. The sender should encode his communication in the form of message encoder. The receiver is the encoder, and the understanding of the message is encoding it. The message may be in any form or words, symbols, pictures, and action. The encoding of the message is necessary for the communication process to complete. The third is message. Message is what is being communicated from the sender to the receiver. Message is the lifeline of the whole communication process. The encode a message to encode a message, relevant symbols are selected and arranged into a pattern to convey meaning. Then the fourth is decoder. Decode is a scientific word which means to know the hidden meaning. The receiver decodes the message into an idea and interprets according to his understanding. To obtain the meaning, when a sender is clear, precise in his thoughts, and encodes a message, and when it matches to the decoder, it is exactly understood in the same manner as it has been said. And the fifth element is channel or medium. Channel, the choice of the channel and the type of the symbol is determined by the situation. The medium could be anything like it could be written, it could be in verbal, it could be a voice call, it could be a video message. So, for example, when addressing a conference of research workers, a scientist uses technical language. He speaks distinctly and makes suitable gestures to derive his to his points. On the other hand, for if it talks to his wife and children, he uses simple day-to-day language and speak to an informal manner. Now, the sixth point: destination or the receiver. The person or group to whom a message is directed is known as the receiver. He represent the destination for the message. He may be the listener, but he has common background, purpose, and interest with with that of the sender. It is also an important component in the communication process. Now the last point of the communication process is feedback or response. When the sender transmits a message and he expects a response, the response may be immediate or different. Like the sender receiver can give the message, give the feedback like now or later, and it could be favorable or unfavorable also. If you send a letter of congratulation to your friend, then of his success in anything, then you receive a immediate message or reply. So this is we called feedback. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is all about the elements of business communication. Thank you.